Today I'll be walking you through Google's DV360's new platform feature known as custom bidding. But first, I'll define what a DSP is. DV360 is considered a DSP, which is a demand side platform in which brands and advertisers use to set up their digital marketing campaigns programmatically. Typically, a brand or advertiser would be able to select their KPI, so this could range from CTR or CPA within the platform, and then you would optimize towards this organically, allowing Google's algorithm to be able to learn your audience over time. How custom bidding is different is that now the advertiser has the unique ability to customize the inputs that they would like to see to get a desired outcome. So, how this would work is there are three new use cases: weighted conversions, activity, as well as tracking transaction and ROAS. So, I'll walk you through each. So, say for instance, you have different floodlights or conversion points on your landing page as an advertiser. You might want to pull reporting to see which metrics are driving the most conversions. From there, you would weight these conversions accordingly because you're identifying that there are certain actions that a user would take that are more valuable to you and your business. So, say for instance, you wanted to track people that were directly making purchases at your store versus just clicking online to find out more information. So, you'd want to weight the conversion in which you're tracking how many people are booking an appointment to have an in-store visit. So say for instance you use a 60% weight for that conversion metrics, and for users that are just clicking to find out more information on your ad or for a specific product, you might want to weigh this by 40%. So this would be a 60-40 split for weighted conversions. Secondly, I mentioned activity. So once again, using the same example, you might want to track how people are interacting on your site. What does their consumer journey look like from start to finish? So you'd have different floodlights or conversion points onto your webpage, and each time a person would take an action on the site, you'd be able to feed these conversion metrics based off of the activity that you see that they've taken. So this would be another use case. And lastly, I mentioned being able to track transactions and ROAS. So say for instance, there's a certain promotion going on in which you're a beauty brand and you're selling eye cream. So you want to be able to directly track how many sales you're driving through your current promotion. So this could also be done through tagging your web page and being able to feed this information back through a floodlight or conversion point. So say for instance, on the checkout page, you place a unique parameter to be able to track each time a person would purchase the eye cream. So each time a user adds this to their cart, you'll be able to see these unique metrics on the back end to then be able to assess ROAS and each transaction that was made during the flight of your campaign. So these are use cases in which custom bidding could be used for your digital marketing campaigns. And you might want to think about how to do this innovatively for your brand or your advertiser.